This is Robotics in Space, a world of discovery. Here we are at the University of Louisville Space Camp for a day of robotics. What will we find inside in the planetarium, Universe's own hub to the universe at hand? Let's go in to see the young mind to the future with our future explorers. So what part of camp are we at now?
Rockets, rovers, and robots.
Can you explain a little bit for us what's going on?
Well, we learn about rockets, rovers, and robots.
Okay.
We're building robots, and we have different missions we have to complete, and we add on to our robots throughout the week to make them complete that mission.
Okay.
And the whole idea is to introduce kids to how robots fuse with space.
All right.
So the rocket part, we had someone come in yesterday, and they were shooting off rockets out in the field. I'm the robot girl. I'm a robot chick.
All right.
So,
Has to be nice.
That's what I do. I build robots. I came here from Miami, and I used to build robots down here.
How long have you been building robots?
I've been building robots for close to 5 years.
Nice. It's impressive.
It is, and I used to be a science teacher here in Jefferson County.
Okay.
I teach at Valley High School and at Brown School, and I went away and I learned how to build robots, and I wanted to come back and I guess bring it back to Louisville.
So how do you feel the kids are? How do you think their views are towards robots right now?
I think they're really excited about it. A lot of these kids have never seen kit
Really?
like this, and they have never played with robots. A lot of times people think of robots as like humanoid things like moving around, but people don't realize that robots are very task specific. You can get them to grab things, pull things, sense. We talk about sensing, like if you come within a certain distance, you can get a robot to do something. Or if it's in a certain light, you can get it to do something. Or if it senses anything, temperature, moisture, it kind of gives you an example of anything that you can design, anything that you can think of, you can always make it sense and do. And that's kind of what these robots do. They sense and they do.
Them a little bit about remotely operated vehicles, kind of like the Mars rover, and the idea of how we can't always see the robot that we're acting technology along with pre-engineering skill. One of our worlds is Europa, one of the moons of Jupiter, so they were kind of seeing what the future of exploration in Europa would be. In fact, they're simulating the future exploration of Europa. They're actually studying with ROVs, and it's the whole kind of technology that their kids are going to be using. So this kind of introduces them to the future of what's going on in space technology. It makes it fun, it's video games, it's engineering.